guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you can tell already, but today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. As you probably already know, my favorite colors are pink and red. So Valentine's Day is obviously my favorite holiday since pretty much everything is pink and red during this time of year. So for today's look, I decided to do a pink monochrome Valentine's Day look with cute little hearts added as well. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I just started out by priming my face, and I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. I want this look to be cute and romantic and glowy, so I used the Radiance Primer to add a little bit of extra glow. Then for eyes, I started by priming my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. And then for eyeshadow, I went in with the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Tag Me, which is just sparkly and pink and beautiful, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I started out by taking the lightest shade, which is called Bellini Bling, and I placed that all over my eyelids to set the primer. And then I went in with the pink matte shade, which is called Spiked Punch, and I started out by placing that in my crease. And then I went ahead and placed that on the outer corner as well. And then I also blended that right into the inner corner to create a halo eye. And then I went in with some concealer on a concealer brush, and I just placed the concealer in the center of my eyelids to create a base for the shimmery shadow. And then once I was finished with that, I took the pink shimmer, which is called Bikini Scene, and just placed that on the center of my eyelids. And then I just went ahead and took my Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black, and I just did a winged liner. Then I moved on to face makeup, and I started off with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the shade 1.0, and I just used my stippling foundation brush to blend that into my skin. And then I went in with concealer, and I used my stippling foundation brush to blend that out as well. Next, I set my concealer using my Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder in the shade Fair. And then I went ahead and contoured, and I just mixed the shades Contour and Bronze from the Step by Step Contour Palette and used that to warm up my skin. Then I went ahead and finished off the eyeshadow by blending underneath the lower lash line. And what I did was I just took the dark pink shade Spiked Punch, and I placed that on the inner and outer corners of my lower lash line. And then I went in with Bikini Scene and placed that on the center of my lower lash line so that the lower lash line mimicked what was on my lid. So obviously you can stop your look there and just go ahead and finish off with lashes and lips and be done. But I took it a step further, and I wanted to add like a cute little heart detail. So what I did was I took some heart stickers, and I just got these off of Amazon, and I just placed them in a pattern on my cheekbone. And then over that, I took the dark pink shadow again, which is called Spiked Punch, and I just placed that where I would normally place highlight. Then I went over that with the shadow Bikini Scene, just to add a little bit of shine there. And then to add even more shine, I went in with my highlight called Pearls Gone Wild, which is a like white highlight with a pink reflection. So once I was finished with that, I went ahead and peeled off the heart stickers to leave behind little hearts in the highlight. Then I went ahead and finished off the eye look with mascara, and I used my favorite mascara from Smashbox, which is the Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. And then I wanted to keep the monochrome pink look for the lips as well. So I went in with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. And then once that was dry, I went in with the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal in the shade Mauve Squad, and I just placed that on the center of my lips and blended it out to kind of mimic the eye look as well. And there's the finished Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm really enjoying the like all pink makeup look since that's my favorite color. Also, this photo edit eyeshadow trio is absolutely stunning. I can't get over how beautiful it is. And we have this shade and 15 other shades of photo edit eyeshadow trios available in the Wildcat Shop. And we're actually having a sale on these right now that will end February 15th. So be sure to come in and pick up your photo edit eyeshadow trio. You can swatch them and try them on before buying them. And there are 16 shades to choose from in these, so I'm sure you can find one that you like the best. And I just think the shadows are beautiful and pigmented and amazing, so be sure to come check them out. You will not regret it. Along with that, all of these Smashbox products that I've used in today's video are available at the Wildcat Shop at Central Washington University, so be sure to come in and check those out if you saw anything that you found interesting. So I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you like the monochrome pink Valentine's Day makeup look. Leave me a comment below if you liked this look and let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Smashbox videos, product reviews, and demonstrations. So yeah, I think that's everything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.